Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the water jet impact on the sandstone part, and we want to investigate the penetration of the water jet into the stone or sandstone. Let's me to click on animate, and you can see the result here. Let's me to zoom. See, this is the penetration of the water jet with high velocity, initial high velocity more than 1000 meter per second, and this is the penetration. See that? Okay, and now let's me to click on here to observe the damage. See, this is the damage happen in the sandstone, and let's me to check it in this view. Click on animate again, and this is the damage propagation inside the stone or rock, pressure and ductile damage, plastic strain, displacement, logarithmic strain, and everything. You can check everything in this model, and these are the water particles. We use small particle hydrodynamic formulation here for the water column, and this is the hole which a water jet created inside the sandstone. So if you need this tutorial, it is something like penetration, stone cutting with water jet or something like that. You can come to our website www.abaqusfem.com. In our website there are many English tutorials and they are provided for English users. Find the English tutorials. For instance, this is our tutorial, and if you can't find it, search it here, search a title here, and then you will find it. And after that, click on the blue sign or the title. Then you will have a short explanation about the geometry and assembly, material model, steps, interaction, load, and mesh. And then the results here. After the simulation, we have the result. You can see them. There is there are three important points here. The file contains CAE and in English video file step by step, and the cost is $30 US. If you have Bitcoins, you can pay it with that. If you haven't Bitcoin, and this is a better way to use PayPal. If you have a PayPal account, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attention.